GM everyone, NK here and welcome to my YouTube channel. So we are playing Project Sino and for today's episode guys, mag-upgrade na tayo ng mga skills ng ating current team composition na Breaker, Samurai, and Psychic. So meron tayong available na gold and may mga skills na tayo na for upgrade. So we'll start with the skills of the Samurai. So far, ito yung gamit natin na skill set for our Samurai, which is nasa front row. So, meron tayo ditong Void Trust, Malice, panpatanggal ng debuff, and then, itong nilagay natin tong Blooming Blossom kasi dahil sa current equip natin na weapon. So, meron niyang additional na 12% damage for the Blooming Blossom. Kaya yung nilagay natin na skill. Okay, so ang upgradable natin currently for our Samurai is yung Blooming Blossom. Detail and then level up. Currently level 6, so upgrade natin to level 7. Yan. So far yan lang muna, no. Niisip ko, tatry ko muna tong Blooming Blossom, okay siya. Or baka pwede natin gamitin tong Kamay Tachi. So, attacks disabling information with an effect value of 130 to a single enemy. If the target is a breaker, the attack will be critical. Also becomes counter status and inflicts damage of 60% of the damage this turn on the opponent. So, maganda rin siya. Para siyang yung counter ng grappler. Nakakalimutan ko yun yung pangalan. Okay. So, that's it for our Samurai. Ito naman tayo sa ating Psychic. So, currently, ang skill set na naka-equip sa ating Psychic is the Fireball, level 9, Angel Heart, level 8, Little Thunder, level 8, and the Throne, level 8. And ang upgradable nga natin currently for our skill is the Throne. Mahal. Medyo mahal. Habang tumataas pala guys yung level ng skills mo, tumataas din yung value ng pag-upgrade and yung materials na kailangan. Kaya yun nga, always plan ahead yung pag-open ng yung chest. Schedule nyo para hindi sayang sa oras. Alright, so yan lang din yung upgradable natin sa current na skill set na meron tayo. Yung mga hindi pa natin nagagamit, hindi muna natin yan na-upgrade. And lastly, for our trigger. Yan, so for our breaker naman guys, naka-equip tayo ng Gale, level 9. Crash Buster, level 7. Berserk level 9 and the Overcyclone. And wala pa rin na available for level up dito. And yan lang din muna. So meron tayong mga ibang skill na for level up pero di muna natin yan i-level up unless gagamitin natin para hindi sayang sa gold na meron tayo ngayon. So after that, check na natin ngayon kung pwede naman ipa-level up yung mga special skill natin. So, for the Samurai, wala pa. Pero pwede na natin siyang ipa-level up yung level ng Samurai. Pero iniisip ko kasi, focus muna tayo sa ating Psychic or sa ating Breaker. So, since yung Psychic natin guys, level 21 naman na. And 20 yung kailangan na Soul Stone. Plus 40,000 na yung kailangan na gold to level 22 our Psychic. So, punta na tayo muna dito sa ating Breaker. So, currently level 17 ng ating Breaker. And 18,000, medyo masakit pa rin going level 18. Pero so far all goods lang yan kasi kailangan natin to pang back row natin to or pang clutch natin. Meron pa tayong 100k pa naman, 164. So 15 soul stone ulit and 21k na nga yung gold na kailangan. Develop na natin. Yan, so plus 10 attack and plus 30 25,000. Grabe. 20 soulstone plus 20 HP and then plus 10 attack. Special skill release level upper limit. Ibig sabihin guys, habang pinapa-level nyo yung Sinus nyo, ma-unlock nyo yung next level naman ng yung special skill. Check natin, wala na tayong gold tsaka soulstone masyado. So, level up, uy, 50k. Diyos ko. Pero kailangan natin yun eh, essential yan eh. Check muna natin. So, 80 for each defeated Sino. And then, 47 yung initial damage niya. So, okay. Level 5 na natin yan. Attacks all enemies with power 65. Increases power by 8. So, nag-stay lang pala per each defeated C. And max level na yung ating Avenger. Essential yan since siya yung pang-clutch natin or nasa dulo na yan. And then, meron pa tayong natitirang gold. Level up na rin natin itong samurai natin. So, kahit pa paano medyo tumaas naman yung level niya, kumunat-kunat. Okay. Yan. So far yun lang muna. And yung team comp natin, mag-stay muna tayo dito this season. So far na-enjoy pa rin naman natin. Pumapalag yung team comp na. And in terms of positioning, straight line pa rin tayo. Tinry ko kasi yung open. Yung ganitong position. Nadadali kagad yung mga pang-clutch natin na Sinus. So, lagay na lang natin muna dito. Though, prone din siya sa mga skill attack na horizontal. Tulad nitong Gale at saka yung Void Thrust. Pero, so far, all goods pa rin naman. Yan. So, update. Level 19 na yung Samurai natin. 21 for our Psychic and then 20 for our Breaker. So, marami-raming mats na naman yung kailangan natin para ma-level up ulit natin itong mga Sinus na. And hopefully, with this current team composition, mahit na natin yung target natin na 4,000 trophies. Alright, so that's it for today's episode of Playing Project Zero, guys. If you have questions, don't forget to subscribe para updated kayo sa lahat ng Project Zero content natin and comment down on our video. Lapag nyo yung mga questions nyo yan, tatry natin yung sagutin isa't isa. And if you have suggestions or tips with this current team composition, comment lang din kaya para matry natin. Again, thank you for watching, guys. NK here, signing out.